Map the road you've walked. Whispers try to make you fall, but every crack where light gets in is where your courage starts to grow tall. The night may steal your breath away, but dawn writes hymns in charcoal gray. Oh, your story's not ink, it's blazing clay, molded wild. The night may steal your breath away, but dawn writes hymns in charcoal gray. Oh, your story is not ink, it's blazing clay, molded wild. The night may steal your breath away, but dawn writes hymns in charcoal gray. Oh, your story is not ink, it's blazing clay, molded wild.
Ating namauman na itong repair mga idol, ang atong trap sa lubik. Diba, makinis na ng kawayan. Ay, kasing na po'y baha ba? Sayang ang lubik, ulahos. Repair
your tenderness through time zones, through emptiness. In that lonely room, fear clawed the air, yet you stood tall, aflame against despair. I drown in crowds, laughter hollow and thin, but only your light melts the chaos within. Oh, fearless soul, chastened on, you cross storms to plant your song. Oh, darling, don't you see, the brightest star lives in your heartbeat. Your fire throws winters in my veins, your courage breaks the heaviest chains. Kindness like dawn, fierce and true, you're the compass the lost follow too. Silver moonlight, pure as snow, guiding every heart. Where you go, where you rise, the world turns its face. You're the sun wrapped in grace.
Your laughter's a lighthouse through foggy nights. Your scars map galaxies brave and bright. In a world half alive, half asleep, you're the anthem that makes mountains weep. They say love's a risk, a leap blindfold, but your name's the prayer, my chaos folded. Take my hand, let fears unravel. With you, every storm's just travel.
So let the universe shrink to a sigh. You're my forever sky.
You're the moonlight never fade. My soul's home you've made. Depth of my heart, a flame burns bright, a passion that won't depart, a love that takes flight. My heart sings a song of joy and delight, a melody that's not wrong, a harmony that's right. The stars shine above, a guide